Great day, grade 7 learners! How are you today? Are you comfortable with your learning space at home? That's good to hear. I'm Teacher Adensi Andres, but you can call me Sir Red for short, and I will be your guide for today's journey. According to Health Direct, exercise stimulates chemicals that improve your mood and the parts of your brain responsible for memory and learning. So, therefore, you must always start your day with aerobics. I presume you have done some stretching this morning. Did you?
Aye, aye, Captain!
Good! Yesterday, we enhanced your grammar with regards the correct usage of past tense in varied context. That past tense of verb shows that an action started and completed in the past. The rules of forming the past tense of regular and irregular verb was also discussed yesterday, right?
Aye, aye, Captain!
Which verb follow a pattern when formed in the past tense? Very good! It's the regular verb. How to change the irregular verb in a past form? Excellent! Irregular verb change in spelling when formed into past tense. And there are some irregular verbs that don't change at all, like put, cut, and read. How's your activity yesterday? Were you able to answer it completely?
Aye, aye, Captain!
Good job! Bring out then your notebook and pen and let's check your answers. Let us see if you had completed Mary's holiday story by writing the correct past form of the given verbs. Are you ready? Please do check honestly because the result will attest your mastery level on the lesson yesterday. Clear? Very good! Let's do it by sentence. Let's start. Last summer holiday, Mary go to Miami with her family. The verb go becomes went. Again, the answer for the first sentence is went. Next, it's the first time she traveled by plane. The verb is travel. And the past tense is, what's the answer? Traveled. Very good. Again, the answer for the second sentence is traveled with ed. Next, they stay in a hotel near the sea. The verb is stay. The past tense of the word stay is stayed. Very good. Again, the answer for the third sentence is stayed. Can you follow checking? Please do observe the correct. Of course, wrong spelling is wrong. Moving on to the fourth sentence. In the morning, they usually walk beside the sea. The verb is walk. So, the answer is walked. With ed. Again, walked with ed. Fifth sentence. Mary and her sister make sand castle. The verb is make. The past form is made. Again, the answer is made. Very good. Next, Dad swim in the sea and Mom read the newspaper under the umbrella. The verb are swim and read. Swim becomes Swam. Very good. And read becomes read. Again, the answers are swam and read. Can you still follow?
Aye, Captain.
Good. Let's continue. In the afternoon, they visit very interesting places. The verb is visit. Just add ed. Again, the answer is visited. Next. One day, they go in a boating. The verb is go. Same answer with the first sentence. The answer is went. Next, they see different fishes and some octopus. The verb is see. See becomes saw. Again, the answer is saw. Very good. Next, Mary take a lot of pictures. The verb is take. So, the answer is took. Again, take becomes took. Last sentence. The family enjoy a lot. The verb is enjoy. Add ed to make it enjoyed. Very good. Again, the answer is enjoyed. That ends the short summer holiday of Mary. How's the quiz? Remember what I told you earlier. Your score attests your mastery level. And so therefore, if you got a high score, it implies that you have mastered the use of past tense. But if you got low score, there's nothing to worry. You have more time to learn about it. Just keep reading and ask assistance to someone you think could help you further understand the lesson. Congratulations for staying alert, alive, and enthusiastic. So, please see to it that you're in comfortable place or learning position, for we are about to continue our grammar lessons that we started yesterday. Bear in mind that learning English grammar is very important. Grammar rules can help learners think logically and clearly, and will become more accurate when using language. This morning, we will be exploring the rules in forming past perfect tense. Are you ready?
Aye, Captain.
Very good. How do you keep in touch with your friends in this time of the pandemic? Do you still communicate with them? That's nice. Now, I will share to you how John, Anna, and Mary keep in touch during the pandemic. Please listen attentively in this short conversation and observe the usage of past tense. John had called and asked Anna what time they should meet. When Mary had asked Anna if she wanted to go to dinner, Anna told her that she was busy and had already set an appointment with John. Let's find out if you really understand the short passage. Let's answer the following question. Number 1. What did John do? Very good. John had called and asked Anna what time they should meet. Number 2. What did Mary do? Brilliant! Mary had asked Anna if she wanted to go to dinner. Number 3. What was Anna's answer to Mary? Excellent! You got it right! Anna told her that she was busy and had already set an appointment with John. What have you observed in your answer? that's correct. Your answers are examples of verbs in the past perfect tense. You will learn more about the past perfect tense as we go along to this lesson. What do you remember about the past perfect tense? Very good. Past perfect tense expresses the idea that an action happened before another action in the past. In forming the past perfect tense, remember this formula. Past perfect tense is formed by simply combining had with the past participle of the main verb. It should be like this: had plus the past participle of the main verb. For example, had cold. Had cold is called verb phrase. This is an example using the past perfect tense of verb. John had called Anna when Mary asked her to go. There is the word had before the past participle. Can you follow?
Aye, Captain!
In order to better understand the past perfect tense, you can use time expression. Time expression emphasizes the completed action. Here are some examples of time expression used with the past perfect tense. The words already, yet, for, since, just, after, before, and until. Let's see this sentence. The sentence is an example of sentence using past perfect tense. When Judah went to Palawan, he had written a letter for his mother. What is the time expression used in the sentence? That's correct. The time expression is the word when. How about the past perfect tense? Wow! You got it right! The past perfect tense is had written. Oh, I'm glad that you learned fast. Keep doing. One more try. Identify the expression and past perfect tense used in this sentence. James had arrived at their house before his mother cooked dinner. What is the time expression? Very good. The time expression used in the sentence is before, and the past perfect tense is? That's correct. Had arrived. Congratulations, dear learners. You're doing great. Surely, you had a good time learning the lesson. The rule in forming past perfect tense is quite easy, right?
Aye, Captain!
How do we form past perfect tense of verb again? Excellent! We form it by using had plus the past participle of the verb. How can you emphasize that the action is already done in the sentence? Great! You may use time and past participle of verbs. Because once you master the rules expression like already, yet, for, since, just, after, before, and until, to emphasize that the action is already done. Since forming the past perfect tense of the verb is quite easy, what you need to do is to familiarize yourself with the past tense and the past participle of verbs. Because once you master the rules in forming the past tense of verb, you can easily formulate past perfect tense of the verb. So, I advise you to read and read and read. Is that okay?
Aye, Captain.
That's good. We are finally done learning the past perfect tense of verb, and you deserve a resounding round of applause for the active participation. To enrich what you have learned for today, be ready for an enrichment activity. Your activity is composed of 10 items. The first 5 is fill in the blanks, and number 6 to 10 is forming past perfect tense correctly. Are you ready?
Aye, Captain.
Very good. You may now get your pen and notebook and listen carefully to the instruction. For number 1 to 5, there are choices that are to be written in the blanks. Now, you only have to choose the correct past perfect tense to complete the sentence. Write only the letter of your choice. Let's proceed to number 6 to 10. In here, you are going to transform the underlined word into past perfect tense to make the sentence correct. I repeat, transform the underlined word into past perfect tense to make the sentence correct. Write only the answer. Is the instruction clear? Okay, shall we start then? Were you able to answer 6 to 10?
Aye, Captain.
Awesome! That ends our activity for today. Congratulations for the job well done. Keep it up. Don't get tired of learning because this is your stepping stone to achieve your dreams and aspirations. Did you have fun learning the past tense of verbs?
Aye, Captain.
Surely you can use it now correctly as you communicate with your friends and teachers. They say practice makes perfect, but I say practice makes permanence. Keep improving your grammar so you can communicate confidently. This has been Teacher Rodensi and Res, but you can call me Sir Red for short. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment saying keep safe and God bless everyone. Goodbye!